Hello everyone, myself Ramur Singhangoli and I am from third year VCE department in BCET. So as you all concerned that our main topic, and you know what I am talking about, it is all about the coronavirus and the main topic which is in a hike is that the vaccines. As you all know, the basics precautions or the basics necessities which we have to take during this epic pandemic, or which we all are taking in this pandemic, is all this social distancing and wearing a mask, carrying a sanitizer, and having and if you're having any illness like fever or anything like this, so please consult, it's highly requested, please consult to any medical authority as soon as possible. And please, if you are sick, take rest at home. And in a crowded place, if you are in a crowded place, then it is hard, but if it's possible, please then maintain a minimum 1 meter distance from your next person, and please wear a proper mask in a proper way, not like just by hanging or just by covering the mouth or covering only the nose, not like that. Please cover the whole entire thing like this. And the main topic on which I am going to talk today, and which from our NSS group or NSS department or NSS event has given me a golden opportunity to speak on a topic about vaccinations. As you all know, there are many vaccines which are available in a few amount or few quantity. I will not tell that it's available in a huge quantity, and it is few because India is a vast country and the amount of vaccines are also coming, but it's distributing among many states and many people. So yeah, it is lacking, but it will take some time and it will come soon and reach the outskirts of India as soon as possible. And there, as you all know, there are many vaccines like Covishield, Covaxin, and many other vaccines which are new in market, like Pfizer and Sputnik V. So Sputnik V and Pfizer is not available in India till now, and if yes, then it is available only in few metropolitan cities like Mumbai or Bangalore, like that. It's not available in all the states, in all the parts of India. So I took my vaccine on 28th of May. So it's nothing to fear about the vaccine, and I have taken the Covishield. It's nothing to fear. Please, if you are getting Covishield or if you are getting Covishield, it's not at all a problem. All the vaccines are good and all the vaccines have a proper cure to this, and I will not tell that, or nobody can tell that you are 100% safe after taking this vaccine. It's not like that. Yeah, you are safe at 99.9%, but it's still some 1% risk in all the things in vaccines also. So please don't took a step behind for that 1%. There is 99.9% chance you will not affect by COVID again. And if you are affected by COVID again due to that 1% risk, then it will not create a huge problem, because as you all know, vaccines are already injected in your body. So please kindly go to a near hospital as early as possible. If it is available, if the vaccines are available, don't panic that my friend has taken or my relative has taken Covishield, or so that I have to take Covishield, or my friend has taken Covaxin so that I have to take Covaxin. It's not like that. All the vaccines are good and it's working also, and the death rate has lowered a maximum rate. So please go and take vaccine as early as possible. And nothing much to say. Take care, stay safe at home. Signing off, Ramur Singhangoli of third year EC BCET. Thank you.